kids, come along!
Hey kids, come along. Roo's world is full of cheer. Hello friends, welcome here. Let's learn and sing right here. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Come and learn along with me. Animals hopping by the tree. Fruits and colors, wait and see. Red, blue, green, and gold. Little words and stories told. Count it out nice and slow. Clap your hands and off we go.
Loud and clear. Roo, roo, come and play. Roo, roo, sing today. Fun is here. Come near. Roo, roo, loud and clear. Loud and clear.
Cat and dog and monkey too. Apple, pear, and berry blue. Yellow sun and purple kite. Learning feels so big and bright. One more song, one more rhyme. We can learn it every time. Say it now, don't be shy. Reach your hand up to the sky.
Loud and clear. Roo, roo, come and play. Roo, roo, sing today. Fun is here. Come near. Roo, roo, loud and clear. Loud and clear.
Tap, tap, clap your hands. Spin around and make a band.
Big smile, little feet.
Happy hearts and counting beats.
Roo, roo, come and play. Roo, roo, sing today. Fun is here.